When coloring, we still use medium carbon. For the face, I'm applying color softly. Don't draw lines too roughly. Keep it soft. Use lighter pressure. Use the side of the pen. Don't hold it upright. Upright pen tips make sharp, obvious lines. It won't be as soft that way. Let's gradually build up the color now. The key is to keep it neat. The goal is to make it look delicate. For the nose wing, define its shape. Well, don't make the nose wing too rigid. Gently shade the lying cripple area. The photo shows it's not that pronounced. Don't draw it too harshly. The eye corner area is quite prominent. That needs careful detailing. Follow the contours and color relationships. Be mindful of direction and color intensity. Let's lower the ears a bit. The ear shape is a bit high now. Define the hair and cheek relationships. When shaping the ears, first focus on the downward earlobe. Second, shape the ear canal. Then, the upper part of the ear. Make sure to show the variations. Don't make the earlobe too thin. The earlobe should look fuller and thicker. For the chin, use light shading. Heavy shading can look like a beard. Keep it light, blend edges well. This will improve the overall effect. Don't make the edge lines too dark after the neck. Add some darker tones. Focus on these shadowed areas. This part is the throat, not Adam's apple. Girls don't have Adam's apples. How to draw the throat area. For the hair ends, let's make the shape softer, flowing outwards. Control the pen well. This step isn't too hard. Just stay steady, don't rush. Don't outline. Gradually fill in the color. For this part, follow the ear's shape. See the tragus and ear canal. Follow the hair's edge, bringing it inwards. Shape guides color. Use more shaped strokes here. Create a form, then fill with color. Find another shape, fill it in. Repeat. Good form, even color, success. At this point, focus on the shape. It's crucial now. Make each shape unique. Don't align them neatly. Stagger them. Capture the back feel of the hair, how it flows backwards. Make it a bit softer. Find that gentle flow. Let's switch to soft or extra soft pencils. I use both. The orange pencil is soft, the white one's extra soft. If you have a heavier hand, use soft pencil. Lighter touch, use extra soft for quicker, darker lines. Extra soft gives softer, darker colors than soft carbon. Darker shades come quicker. Use both to emphasize heavier hair areas. Don't fill everything, just add weight to certain color blocks. After the soft shading, let's switch to medium carbon. With medium carbon, we'll refine facial features, adjusting shapes and colors as needed. Avoid soft carbon now. It's easy to overdo it during fine-tuning. See the forehead? It needs to be slightly grayer, as hair shadows make it look natural, not like a wig stuck on the scalp. Now we can define eyes, eyelids, and other specific features. It's all about subtle adjustments. I'll use soft carbon to touch up colors. If you're detailed here, you won't need deep shaping later. You could keep refining, but the effect is already good, very attractive, with delicate lines. With soft carbon, we'll enhance contrast slightly, but avoid overdoing it or losing detail. Avoid making it too rough or grainy, that's a common mistake. For girls, focus on the hair, other issues are minor. Not much to explain here, just keep talking and control your pencil well. Nothing too complex, just add a touch of blush to the face. Alright friends, let's continue drawing. For hair, smooth out strands. Use rounded strokes connecting to the initial sketch. If your initial lines were loose, hair adjustment will be easier. So practice pen control from the very first draft.